Going to work. Still a bit sleepy, but feeling good thinking about doing Sanrio nails at work. Hi, long time no see. I was browsing around Olive Young and found some Sanrio stickers, so I bought them to draw my nails. My crew that always starts with laughter. I'll start with the care first. Always did round square nails, but with all the gel and tip extensions lately, I decided to go round again. I usually prefer round square nails. Sanding all the way up to right under the cuticles. Scrub carefully and thoroughly. It's a soft sanding file, so you can scrub boldly without causing much damage. If this step isn't done properly, gel lifting can occur, which may actually damage the nails more. Making sure the sanding on both sides is thorough. Then I'll start the drill care. I remove the loose skin that has built up in all the corners. Performing drill care softly and carefully. Don't blow on it like that while doing the treatment. Dust off with a brush when taking care of clients. Since the loose skin is all cleaned up, the rest should be super easy. There's a small size cuticle remover, but I've been overusing the big one since refilling is such a hassle. It actually keeps my nails more hydrated this way, so I'll probably keep using the large size. After wiping all the corners with ethanol, you'd usually remove leftover cuticles with a nipper, but the bit did such a good job that I'm skipping it. Ready for the art? Let's start with the base gel. Spreading it evenly to prevent any drips. This is the syrup color I always use when drawing on a clear base. Instead of covering everything, I apply a small amount only near the free edge. It'll naturally cover the smile line. Since the colored part has some unevenness, I'll do an overlay with Builder Top Gel before starting the drawing. Even if I apply it roughly, it self-levels, so I'll paint quickly and move on. It comes in the package too. Not actually sticking it, but it's cute. So let's just lay it on the nail for fun. I think just sticking this and adding top gel would look super cute. But I have poster color gel, so I'll try drawing it by hand. Feel free to use the color as it is, or blend them for a new shade. Looks like the sticker's concept is running Sanrio. So I'm adding a touch of a darker shade to the beige. Brushing tools first then, don't worry. I'm not hurting the brushes greater than underscore. I'm just loosening the brush to make it soft, but it looks a bit aggressive. First, I'll draw Running Kitty. I'm positioning it first before I start drawing. Positioning is more important than size. The size can be fine-tuned as I paint. Once Kitty's ears are in place, I'll fill in the colors and cure. It has great coverage, so one coat drawing is possible. It draws in one coat without any shrinkage, which speeds up the whole surface. White and black go on smoothly in just one swipe. The character's life. The eye placement is crucial. Once I draw the whiskers, it's 98% done. Finishing touch. The yellow nose. Running Kitty is done. Top gel comes on last. Can't wait to draw Pachaco. Even with just the Pachacos I've drawn so far, I've easily done over 100. Every time I draw it, Pachaco looks super cute. I usually draw with just white, but today I'm using a sun-kissed color. For Pachaco, 50% is filling the face and 50% is the outline, so half is already done. To make it a running Pachaco, I'll add a headband. Depending on the fill, it can end up looking like a poop shape. Give it a light stir with a spatula and it spreads nicely. The poster color gel applies smoothly, so you can draw lines without any breaks. I used to draw a lot of these during training, and since Pachaco is a relatively easy character, I recommend it for anyone practicing drawing, because it's mostly lines with simple coloring. You'll get plenty of line practice and it gets easier with each try. I'll finish it off with Dino Lovey Top Gel, finishing Kitty from before first, and then topping off the rest. It's a non-wipe top gel, so you don't need to wipe it after curing. Normally, no wipe top gels are pretty runny, but the Lovey Top Gel was developed with slightly higher viscosity, so you can skip the overlay step and finish in one coat with Lovey Top Gel, giving a long-lasting, bouncy finish that stays for 4 weeks. Next up, an ink-inspired check art. Just using a square brush to smooth out the poster color gel. This brush was made specially for check art. You can press down comfortably. The lines won't get thick. If something feels off, I just softly fix it with a correction brush. Gonna bring out the ink texture and make it feel like a hand-drawn piece. Just mixing a little orange with yellow for Pompompurine's face color. Mixing it gently on the paper palette. Just mixing for the running Pompompurine. The regular Pompompurine works perfectly with the yellow color as is. I thought I'd put a character on all 5 fingers, but 3 are enough to be cute. So I'll show powder art on the others. I shared easy tips for brushing off powder. Since the types of devices we use, their condition, and the amount of gel all vary, there's a limit to what I can check for you. Powder block refers to the act of easily removing powder in powder art. Think of it as blocking the powder, just like we call sunscreen sunblock. Pompompurine is finished. Let's dive into the powder art. We developed this product so that you can enjoy powder art easily, without needing to understand its features or principles. Powder blocking matte gel that anyone can use comfortably. First, I'll finish everything except the areas where the powder will stick, before applying the matte top gel. After curing the matte top gel, I'll draw with the poster color gel. All colors of the poster color gel can be used with powder. Just draw with the color you want. Draw the starlight with a liner brush then. I'll rub in the berry color from the Lush powders. This is the Dino Marshmallow Sponge. It's a high-density, firm sponge, similar to a marshmallow. As you can see, the powder comes off well everywhere except the drawing parts. Once I finish with the top gel, today's art is complete. Sanrio friends running. This art is meaningful to me too, since I love running. Thanks to Olive Young for inspiring me to create this cute art. On my way to work today, I'll erase the lovely Sanrio friends and create a new art piece. I'm always a bit spaced out on my way to work. I think I only start feeling energized once I get to work. Don't know whether I'm the one teasing, or the employees are teasing me. They make me laugh so much. I feel like I'm working out just from laughing. My beloved family arrived at the office to meet my happy virus co-workers. Getting the tools ready for gel removal and care. Goodbye, Sanrio friends. Clean the dust filter while the vacuum is still on, then turn off the vacuum. Since the nails are already in a round shape, I'll just tidy them up. If there are any spots the drill didn't fully remove, you can file them now. Every single step in the care process is important. Step for better durability checking carefully. I'll be removing it again soon for the next nails, but I make sure to follow every step during filming. I'm not sure if I'm dusting it off with a brush or my hand, but I'll brush it off and apply the cuticle remover. Applying a generous amount today as well. Quick nipper touch-up. Then onto the art. It hasn't been long since the last care, and most of it was already removed with the drill, so there's barely anything to cut. I'll apply the base carefully, making sure it sticks closely to the nail surface. For covering the smile line, nothing beats the Starry Night color. It looks natural, just like your real nail color. After applying to all 5 nails and wiping off the uncured layer, I'll go straight into the art without any overlay. If the texture bothers you after curing, it's fine to add a thin layer of builder top as an overlay. First, I'll paint a teddy bear using Dino poster color gel, and then I'll lay a clear embossed gel over it. Start by defining the basic shape of the teddy bear. Since I'll draw the eyes and nose on top of the embossed gel, I'll just paint the face for now. Teddy bear's face is all done with poster color gel. Finishing it with lovey top gel, and then we'll put embossed gel on top of the teddy bear. Since we're only applying embossed gel and not a separate top gel, you can consider this the final finish. This is a clear embossed gel that leaves no uncured residue. Regular embossed gels can appear cloudy due to their thickness, but maximum dewy top gel is highly transparent. No matter how many layers you build on the art, it stays clear without cloudiness, shining like glass beads. This also has the advantage of making the art appear clearer and more radiant. I wanted to draw a playful teddy bear, and the designer asked if I had intentionally made the ears different sizes. Using the black color I set aside, I'm going to draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. Just draw the black beans firmly. I didn't follow any reference. Just went with my hands and drew it my way. This is the matte top gel we used earlier. Today's art needs powder too, so I'm going to use matte gel. I'll cure the poster color gel without leveling, keeping the brush strokes intact. Let's add some natural texture and see the powder sparkle in the light. This is pure silver powder, reflecting a clear silver shine. Using a marshmallow sponge, I'll make it stick perfectly. The powder doesn't stick to the matte top gel areas. Using the clean side of the sponge, I'll softly sweep it away. After overlaying with Dino Builder top gel, I'll draw the teddy lettering. To get the composition right, start with the center letter and fill in the sides to position everything nicely. I'll also apply the clear embossed gel I used on the teddy bear onto the heart. This thick clear gel won't drip or run easily. Super easy to scoop the amount you need and shape it however you want. I went to the driving range and took this with the iPhone's default camera. The powder, which usually looks smooth, sparkles beautifully with just a single brush stroke. I was wondering what art to do on the other hand, and decided to add a pop of color. I'm going to draw tiny shapes in bright, vivid colors. I've been doing nails for almost 20 years and my taste has remained the same. I love simple styles with a little pop of detail. What style of nail art do you all like? If there's any art or design you're curious about or want to see, let me know in the comments. If I can be of help, I'll share it and let you know. This is a glitter gel that can also be used with top gel. I'm going to brush it on lightly to make the design look more vibrant. The teddy bear art is now complete. The embossing is plump, making this art look adorable from every angle. See you next time!